In this video, we're going to show you how to change out a cartridge filter. It's probably one of the easiest ones you can do. Not much to it, so follow along. As you're considering replacing the pool filter, a couple of things you need to really keep in mind, and that is the plumbing, how the plumbing goes in and out of the filter. On this one, it comes in one side, goes out the other. So if you replace it with a different filter that has both connections on one side, then you'll need to account for that plumbing. But the biggest deal is just think about how you're going to replumb this in, especially if they're different. If you change filters, a lot of times the pipes don't line up. So it's going to require some creative thinking as you're thinking about how to put the pipes back together. So put some thought into that. I usually will get a scratch pad and just envision the path of where you're going to go with it and get the plumbing in hand before you start, because there's nothing worse than getting right in the middle of a job and not being able to finish because you don't have enough pipe fittings. Here's an idea of the tools that'll be necessary for this job. You need some sort of saw. Does not have to be this electric one that I have. A hand saw will work just fine. But you'll need something to cut the pipes. You'll also need some sort of pliers to remove the old unions and reconnect the new ones. Tape measure perhaps, so you can get the right measurements. The right size pipe and fittings. Some good glue. We use the gray PVC heavy duty glue, and some sort of towel just to clean up, because when you cut the pipes, water's going to go everywhere. Okay, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is empty the old filter. Right now it's full of water, weighs a lot, so we're going to pull the drain plug here. Then I'll loosen the two unions on the side of the tank. We'll get it completely drained out, then move it out of the way. There's not really much to this repair. We're just simply going to cut the old unions off, make sure everything lines up, and put it back together. As you can see here, I'm going to have to make a little adjustment because the top one doesn't quite line up with the bottom one. But not a big deal. I'll just cut a little extra off of that pipe and it'll be perfect. Now I'm using this gray heavy-duty glue. The beauty of it is, if one of these unions cracks down the road, it's real easy to take that coupling off, or take that fitting off rather. Made lots of videos of that. So it holds up good. It's just easy to get off if we ever have to repair it. Okay, that about wraps it up. Got the new one in place, everything's working. We've got no leak. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one.